What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing our key fob battery on our Mitsubishi Lancer GTS, or even the Evo. So what you want to do first, on the back of the key fob, it's got this pull tab. You want to push down on it. That releases the key. Once you push down on it with your fingers, just pull the key out. Put that to the side. Now that the key is out, you can see there's an indentation here, an opening right here. There, you want to put either a flathead or anything flat enough to pry it open. Once you do that, twist it and you'll hear it pop. You'll see the separation. And then it'll open up half. And then there is your key fob battery. It's a 2032, CR 2032. Now, if you don't have your battery in there, luckily on the casing, they actually wrote it down there. 2032. Now, to get this battery out, as you can see, it's got some holders, 1, 2, 3, 4 holders. What you want to do is you want to use that corner of the flathead, and it has this semicircle right here. You just want to stick that in there and gently pry it out, and you'll see it start coming out. You'll want to pull it out and then grab your new one. If you forget what orientation the battery goes in, luckily inside, again, it's marked, the negative goes downward. On our battery, usually manufacturers will put the part number and then the plus sign or negative sign showing you which is which. So if the front's the positive, the bottom's the negative, we're gonna put the bottom down. So what you want to do is you want to insert it into the hole first. The easiest way is to put it where the holders are at, so that way the holders are already, they're not in the way. And you're gonna press down and gently press in, and it'll clamp down. Make sure it's not loose, and it is not. Another thing you want to do is just clean out your seal a little bit. That way you get a good seal when you close her up. You don't get any water or contaminants going into your battery. Last thing you want is a messed up chip in there. From what I've heard, this is a very expensive key fob. I myself have not needed to replace one, but better safe than sorry. Alright, now that it's nice and clean, I am going to place down the top part first. I say top part because that's where the key goes. I don't know, maybe it's the bottom part. It might be the bottom part, but either way, you want to gently start pressing, going towards the opposite direction. Once you get those clicks, you're good to go. Put the key back in. There's only one way to put the key. If you try putting it the opposite way, it won't work. Let's put the key back in. And that's it. Very simple way to open your key fob and replace the battery.